this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to do a demo today using some masks and stencils. We're using our Distress Oxides and our VersaFine Clair. So starting with our cream card, I'm just going to grab my mask to start with, so I'm going to place that in the middle there, and then grabbing a smoothie, I'm going to start with iced spruce, and I'm just going to bring this in from the edge. Don't worry too much about lines or marks because we're going to be adding water over the top and stencils, so by the time we're finished you won't really notice. So all I'm doing is just building up some colour. Okay, so that's our first layer of colour on, and now let's bring in another colour. We've got Stormy Sky here. So you can see that I've not at all really blended that. I've just got the colour on, and then we'll pop the stencil now over the top. Try not to move that circle like I just have. Okay, and then firmly gripping onto that now, we're going to grab a stencil brush and we're going to use the Twilight. This is the VersaFine Clair. And I'm just going to go over the top of that. Working my way all the way around. Let's have a little look. That's great. Okay. So now I'm going to use the negative and pop that in the centre there, and then taking our Twilight VersaFine and inking up, I'm going to just bring that colour in around the edge. And then I'm blending all the way around. I wanted the very edge to be quite dark and then just tailing off towards the centre. So just gently building that up. Okay. So now I'm going to take our mini stamp. Let's grab this one. This is our little maple leaf. And I'm going to bob that down. And then I'm inking up in the Twilight I'm just going to start to bob a few leaves about. Let's pick another colour. We've got Warm Breeze here and another little pound stamp. And I'm just building up lots of layers inside this circle here. Okay. Okay, so let's think about what's going to go in the centre of that. I think we're going to pop our little hare running through the middle. So I'm going to ink this up in Twilight. And I'm just going to trim that down. And then I'm just going to add some water now over the top of the Distress Oxides, just to soften it a little. So taking our fan brush, excuse the colour of the water, it's meant to be clear. I don't want it to be too precise, so let's just see if that's not quite ready yet. As you know, the oxides will react with the water and they'll pull the colour to the surface, and it will give this really nice sort of mottled effect. And the longer you leave it on, the more it will bleach the colour out. And there we go. Just starting to pull that colour out. I should have left it a little bit longer, but it gives you an idea of that effect. Okay, so I've got an air dryer here, so I'm going to just dry that off. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is just pop a little bit of glitter around the edge. So I need my glue pen. And then I'm just going to draw, following that line all the way around. Okay, and I'm just going to put a few little dots up and around the centre. And then taking our blue-green glitter, which will go well, sprinkle that over the top. Tap that off. And there we have it. I hope you can see the glitter on that. There we go. I think it's just caught the camera there. But it really does jump out at you, that centerpiece there. So I think that's quite a nice way to create a card, something a little bit different. Thanks for watching, guys. You take care and speak soon.